Alright, so just finishing up today. This will be like another sidewalk project. We'll do that separately. But yeah, we'll cut this down. Put some heat rocks on the side of here. This has a couple layers here. We've got the drain there. We'll test it out, throw in some water, huck some rock. And then we put in concrete steppers so that if you take a truck over this or some big piece of equipment, or maybe a propane truck, this will all be covered with dirt and rock. It'll look like a regular driveway, kind of. And then that way it won't destroy or crush or sink in and destroy the pipe underneath it. We'll probably do something cool here with the feature. This rock's going to be exposed, this rock's going to be exposed, but all this will be covered in some sort. So yeah, pretty close. I'm pleased. I think it's coming along okay.